Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of two of the most exciting video tools in 2025, CapCut AI Video Generator and Edit app by Instagram. I'll walk you through the features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and then give you a balanced conclusion as to which is best in 2025. Let's get started. The CapCut AI Video Generator is a product from the same company behind TikTok. CapCut has been around for a while now as a powerful editing tool, and its AI video generator takes things to the next level. With CapCut AI, you can go from nothing more than a text prompt to a fully edited, professional-looking video complete with voiceovers, captions, visuals, and transitions. It's a cross-platform solution, meaning you can use it on desktop, on web, or on mobile. CapCut is all about speed, automation, and versatility, giving you powerful features in a way that feels effortless. On the other side, there's Edits, a relatively new app launched by Instagram's parent company, Meta. Unlike CapCut, which tries to be a universal video editing tool, Edits is built specifically with Instagram creators in mind. It's mobile first, completely free, and integrates directly with Instagram Reels. So think of it as Meta's answer to CapCut, designed to give Instagram users a dedicated space to edit, manage, and publish content while also keeping an eye on performance analytics. Now let us talk about the main features. For the CapCut AI video generator, it comes packed with automation. You can literally type a short prompt, something like, "Make me a 30-second promo for a fitness brand." And the AI will script out your video, pull visuals that fit, generate captions, and even add background music. It offers different AI avatars, so if you don't want to appear on camera, you can select from a variety of digital presenters. You can also clone your own voice or choose from dozens of professional sounding voiceovers in different languages and accents. On top of that, CapCut has a massive template library, meaning you can apply different styles, whether you want a cinematic look, you want a tutorial format, or even animated explainers. For busy creators, small businesses, or marketers, this kind of automation is a game changer. How about Edits? Unlike CapCut, Edits doesn't focus as much on AI automation. Instead, it gives you creative control with a clean, mobile-first editing experience, and you find the usual tools like trimming, splitting, adjusting speed, adding filters, resolution, and overlays. But it does go beyond that with green screen effects, the ability to animate still images into motion graphics, and even special audio features like voice effects or extracting audio from other clips. One standout feature is that Edit allows you to capture and edit videos up to 10 minutes long. That's much longer than the typical Instagram reel. It also supports high-resolution exports even up to 4K without slapping a watermark on your content. But what really makes Edits unique is the integration with Instagram. You don't just edit inside the app, you can also brainstorm ideas, save drafts, organize projects, and track how your videos perform once they are live. There's even an ideas section where you can pull inspiration and an insights tab that allows you to see real-time analytics. It's not just about editing anymore. It's about managing the entire content creation workflow in one place. Now, what is the pricing of the both platforms like? For CapCut AI Video Generator, it follows the freemium model, means you can access a lot of its core AI tools for free, but there are also features that you can't access unless you pay for the Pro version. And with the Pro version, you can generate more AI generated content every month. On the other hand, Edits is free. No hidden features, no watermarks, no subscription tiers, at least not right now. Since it's backed by Meta, the business model is really about keeping creators engaged on Instagram rather than charging for the app itself. That makes it especially appealing to beginner creators or anyone who doesn't want to worry about an additional subscription eating into their budgets. What are the pros and cons of using both platforms? For the CapCut AI Video Generator, the pros. It is extremely fast for video creation with text prompts. It has a huge range of templates, AI avatars, and even voiceovers, and it works across the desktop, web, and mobile. What are the pros of using the Edits? It is completely free and is watermark free. It has a tight Instagram integration with analytics and performance tracking. Mobile first design that's intuitive and easy to learn. and it's continuously evolving with new features and updates. How about the cons? For the CapCut AI video generator, some of the best features are locked behind the Pro version. The automated style might feel restrictive for creators who want total control. And the cons of using edits? It is only available on mobile, and is still a newer app, so it doesn't have as many advanced AI features as CapCut. So which one is best in 2025? Well, here's a balanced answer. It depends entirely on your workflow. If your workflow is to produce high volumes of videos quickly, or if you need professional scripts, avatars and voiceovers without hiring a team, then the CapCut AI video generator is the better choice. It's versatile, it's powerful, and it's ideal if you're publishing content across different platforms, not just Instagram. But if you're someone who lives inside Instagram, especially if Reels are your main content type, then Edits is the app to go for you. But honestly, the truth is, many creators end up using both. They generate professional assets with CapCut and then fine-tune or publish with Edits. And that's basically the comparison between CapCut AI and the Edits app. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore InShot, KineMaster, and PixArt. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.